Unit 6. The Gender Divide. 1. Listen and discuss.
Do you think you know a lot about men and women? Answer true or false for these statements. Then check your answers with the results of gender studies. One. Women talk more than men. 2. Women tend to worry more than men. 3. Men are more truthful than women. 4. Men are more easily bored than women. 5. Women have a greater tolerance for pain. 6. Women live longer than men.
I think women talk much more than men.
That's just a stereotype, though I do think women talk more than men about certain things.
Like what?
Women like to talk about their feelings, but men usually don't.
Men would rather talk about sports or cars.
Typical.
One. The common stereotype that women talk more than men is wrong. In fact, recent research shows that there is very little gender difference in how much people speak. Some research suggests that men tend to speak more than women in formal settings, and that women speak more in informal situations. One study revealed that women speak an average of about 16,000 words a day, and men do too. Two. Studies show that women worry more frequently and more often than men. This may be due to the fact that women's brains produce less of a brain chemical called COMT, which controls anxiety. Having less of this chemical can make it harder for a person to stop worrying. Three. Women lie frequently, and men do too. However, research shows that women and men tend to lie about different things. Women are more likely to lie in order to try to not hurt a person's feelings. They are also more likely to lie to try to avoid a conflict. However, you are more likely to be told a lie by a man for a different reason. Men more often lie in order to make themselves seem more impressive. 4. Studies show that men have more restless temperaments than women. For example, women seem to have a capacity to adjust to repetitive tasks, but men don't. They dislike being asked to do such tasks and are less likely to successfully complete them. It is speculated that women do better in these situations because they have a greater ability to keep their thoughts and imagination active, even during tedious activities. Five. Many people assume that since women have babies and men don't, women probably have a greater ability to deal with pain. However, the research seems to indicate that, due to their body chemistry, women actually have lower tolerance for pain. During recovery after surgery, women tend to experience pain with greater frequency and intensity than men do. 6. Women outlive men all around the world, sometimes by an average of as much as 10 years. For example, in the U.S., the average life expectancy is about 79 for women, but only 72 for men. The gap is largest among people who live to be 100 or older. Worldwide, among people 100 or older, women outnumber men 9 to 1.